Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading. That will come right after this general reading, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first. We have 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords and Page of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you're working hard, making a lot of efforts, and you want to progress towards your dreams or goals, whatever you have for yourself, guys. And you are really skilled and you are making efforts today and progressing in a positive way. So it may be in your relationship, guys, in your work situation, you are progressing positively and you may be signing some important deals, or you may make your project or whatever work you do a success with your skills and talents. So you are someone who's quite good, adept in your work, so really a talented person. And maybe in this relationship, maybe you love this person a lot, you may share a great attraction towards this person, but something is missing. Maybe the way they relate to you, the way they express their love to you. So some kind of something is missing in this relationship, guys, and you do not know what this person thinks or feels. Maybe they are not clear about what they are thinking or what they are feeling about you or about this relationship. So some kind of uncertainty is there in this relationship, and they are not reciprocating your feelings and emotions. Maybe you shower them with love, you gift them, and you love to speak to them, you love their company, but this person is not reciprocating any of that. They are maybe if you go out of the way to meet them or call up and speak to them, they are speaking to you, but they are not making any efforts from their side. So something is missing in this love, guys, and it may be because of some distractions they have. So there may be another person interesting them, and they are maybe for some of you it may be true, guys. Maybe this person is seeing someone else and they are not interested in you anymore, or they have some distractions. They find someone else more interesting than you, and they are concentrating on this person. That is the reason they are not reciprocating your love and your emotions, and they are trying to avoid your contact, or voluntarily trying to speak or stay connected with you. Maybe they have someone else in their mind, or they are already in a connection with someone, guys, and maybe for some reason this person does not know what to do, maybe, and very soon this person will come out of this uncertainty, guys, and they may come out with the truth, and they may tell you the reason why they are avoiding you, or what is the reason for their distractions. Maybe it may be another person, a new love, or someone new they have found, or it may be for some of you something else. Maybe they are committed to their work, maybe they have great ambitions and they are working towards those dreams. Maybe for some of you that may be the reason, but they are having some distractions, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys, and this person is going to come out with the truth very soon, guys, for y'all, Scorpios. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and 2 crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive. You are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and you with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the crystal spirits card, guys. So, with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life in this relationship. So, we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So, we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today, the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down. They keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still, when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.